People are selling stuff on Etsy and making big bags out of it. So I figured, why not selling desk mat on Etsy? Lucky for me, it hit right off people's needs since there's still not a lot of custom mats being sold on here. Hi, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how I made 43K just by selling desk mat. The reason why I choose to do this is it does not require a lot of work, like for example designing stuff. We will be using AI to do all of that, and you got to do it from your house, a coffee shop, anywhere besides sitting in an office. So it would be perfect for those who don't want to work 9 to 5 and do your own boss type of thing. And for us to do that, we will be using Leonardo. So all you need to do is go to this website and pop in your ideas. But first off, got yourself an account for this, and then press AI image generation. Then here's the part you gotta be creative a little bit to make your product stand out. So for example, let's say I want to create a pink ocean with moon above and stars around. And you get to choose different style also, like illustration or photography. Just like that, you get a custom mat design in 2 minutes. You could experiment with different style like abstract art, geometric patterns, or even personalized text-based designs in different sizes, designed to make it more diverse, more options. Next thing you gotta do is find you a suitable print provider. There's our two big names that I can drop here for you, which are Printify and Printful. Printify and Printful both offer the service of printing you designs onto a desk mat and then delivering it directly to your customers. So they both are solid choices, but there might be a few differences in pricing and what they offer. So it's your call to see who's the best fit. Make sure that you test your product first before handing out to your customers. You want it to be the best quality as you're offering because that's every customer's need. And for the final steps, make sure that your picture has high resolution. And of course, you have to have mock-ups so people can imagine what it would look like and to see if they really like it. So when you upload your product, the name of the product is also as important. You have to put in those keywords that a customer would type in when they're looking for designing desk mats. What style and color, for example, and you're ready, set to go. It's all about using AI to create unique products that meet a growing demand. And for it to success, you gotta locked in. You gotta locked in. Not just in selling products off Etsy, I mean in any field. You gotta spend time and dedication in order to achieve success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new content about AI. See you in the next video.